In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your start menu and the search bar is not working on your Windows computer. Now, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and then you can click on Task Manager to bring up the Task Manager window. In the search box at the top, go and type in the word Explorer, and then you need to right-click on the Windows Explorer and click on Restart. You could then check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, then you'll need to bring back up the Task Manager window, and over in the left-hand side, click on Services. Now from this page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you need to locate a service called WSearch. So it's this one here, and you need to right click on this and click on Open Services. From this page here, scroll all the way down until you see the service called Windows Search. So you can see this here, Windows Search. You then need to right click on this service and click on Properties. Click on the drop down arrow next to Startup Type and select Automatic. If the service status is already running, click on the Stop button. You can then click on Start, and then you'll need to press Apply and OK. Now, if it's still not working, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard, and that's going to bring up this Run box here. You'll then need to type in PowerShell and press Enter. Now what we need to do is go and copy and paste this command here, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. So once you have this copied, head back over to the PowerShell, go and paste in the command and then press enter. Now if it's still not working, you'll need to head back over to the Task Manager window and click on Run New Task. You then need to type in the word CMD and click on this box here, create this task with admin privileges, and then go and press OK. Now from this box, go and type in SFC / scan now and then press enter. You'll then just need to wait a few minutes while this performs a full system scan on your computer. So just wait for this verification to get to 100%, and any corrupted files will automatically be repaired. So once it's finished, you can go and close out of this window. You can then restart your computer, and that should have solved the Windows 11 start menu not working.